Okay, so today we're doing a unboxing. It's on the company called Rocksbox. So you guys may have heard of it. It is a subscription-based company where you can try jewelry and it's sent to your house and it's like 3 pieces every month, or every box, I guess I should say. And you can get as many boxes as you want. And you can keep the box for however long you want. So the first thing you do when you get on Rocksbox is you create a profile where you say your style and all the type of things that you like and the brands that you like.
They first ask you your favorite metal type, and then you get to pick your favorite style of necklace, bracelet, earrings, and even your rings. So you can really customize it, and then you go right through to pick your favorite selection of each one of those categories so that your stylist knows exactly what to pick for you. Then you fill out your ring size and give them your birthday.
And then you have a stylist who will pick out your pieces for you, and you'll make a wish list so that you can kind of tell the stylist what you're into.
So when you go to browse my jewelry, you can look through the entire site to get inspired, to find pieces that you love and get excited about. You can search through different categories to make it more refined. And then if you like something, you can click on it, see if it comes in different colors or different metals. You can get more information and you can add it to your wish list. Or if you pick on the big picture, it will take you to that link to get even more information. You can go to view my wish list to see your top 30 or however many wish list items you have. You can add it to your top 10 so that your stylist knows exactly which ones you want to try first. And it's really easy to add and remove anything. If you change your mind, you can just add or remove it by clicking that star or that big red button on the bottom.
And then after they make their selection, you can go on and review it and change out any pieces that you want, which I think is super cool because you are fully in control of what comes to your house.
So when your package is set, you have 24 hours to review it. You can go on the site and you can start swapping. It will have your 3 pieces that are chosen for you at the top, and then you can swipe through, and then whatever you find that you like better, you just push that swap button and then confirm it, and you can do that for each of the 3 pieces. Sometimes you will love exactly what the stylist has picked for you, and other times you may want to customize it if you want a specific piece that they didn't happen to get that time. Honestly, it's a lot of fun because you get to be in control of what you like and what you don't like. Once you like how your set looks, you push done, make sure everything looks great, and to send my set.
And then you get your box, you have 3 pieces, and then you try them all on. You can use them for a year, you can use them for a day, it doesn't matter. It's up to you, you can keep them for however long you want.
Another really cool thing is if you go to my account and manage your membership, you can pause your account. You can skip 3 months, skip 6 months, or you can cancel your membership at any time, which I think is really, really important so you're not locked in. It asks for your reasoning and you're really open, so if you don't like it, you can end it at any point.
It's $21 a month, and if you buy something, that $21 goes towards like whatever you get. So it's super cool. I'm not really into subscription companies, but I've been loving Rocksbox because one, I feel like when you go shop for jewelry, it's kind of like Target or like Sportsky, like kind of in the middle is like kind of harder to find. I mean, you can buy jewelry at Nordstrom's and Macy's, but I don't know, I just kind of have a harder time doing it. And then shopping online, you never know if the hoops are going to be as big as the photo shows or like bigger or smaller in person. So I really like it because you can try out really good quality pieces from the best brands, and I like never have bought jewelry for myself like I have been. But I actually started this because I saw Lauren Giraldo wearing these hoops, and I looked all over the internet for them and I couldn't find them anywhere but Rocksbox. So I was like, all right, I'll do 1 month, I'll get the earrings and I'll stop. And then they sent me like 2 other things that I liked. So I was like, all right, like let me try again. And this is my 3rd month doing it. So I wanted to open this, kind of walk you guys through the process and give my full review now that I've done it for 3 months, to just share whether you guys should do it too. So it comes in this like package. It says your favorite mail has arrived. Tear here, don't forget to save this envelope to send back. So it's really nice because all the shipping is free. So you keep this for later, and then it has like an adhesive here that you stick to send it back. So this is the box. I think it's super, super cute. And then once it's untied, inside there's this slip here. This one says hi lovey, my past two said hi beautiful, and this one is a care card. So in your care card, it just tells you how to take care of your jewelry that comes in the box. And then this, I always keep this little thing and like put it around my house. Anyways, it has a breakdown of the 3 things that I have in my box and how much they are. So if I want to buy them all or buy one of them, I know how much they cost. Also, when you buy all 3, they give you a discount of $10 off. So there's a few different ways you can use Rocksbox. You can use it to shop for jewelry like I've been doing because I just also like, another thing I noticed is I really wanted earrings because I have my staple rings, I have my staple necklace that I wear every day, but I didn't have staple earrings that I wore all the time. But when you go shopping, they don't always let you try on earrings. And the other thing is like, you don't know how they're gonna look at home with your like style. So I like it because at your house you can try it on with a few different outfits, see how often you really wear it, because sometimes you buy things and you think you're gonna wear it a ton and then you don't. So you get it, you can keep it all month, and I just personally I try to do one at least every month so that that $21 credit is being applied to something, or at least buy one thing a month, because I just don't want that credit to go away. In 1 month you could get like, I don't know, 10 boxes and it would still be $21 even if you got 1 box, if that makes sense. You can use it to shop for jewelry, or if you have like a expensive gala and you have this gown and you don't want to buy new earrings, you could do this, and it's a cheaper way. Even if you don't want to buy them, they have like really expensive pieces too. It kind of ranges between I think like $35 to I don't know $100 per piece. They have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, everything, but so far I've only ordered earrings for myself because that's what I'm shopping for. Okay, so inside is this little cute wrapping paper, and then it always comes with 3 bags, and then at the bottom is your return label. So this is going to be placed on the sticker on your Rocksbox envelope for when you return it. So let's see. So this time, well, the first 2 times I got like a variation of earrings. This time I ordered all 3 Huggies because if I got hoops last time and I liked them, and then I got hoops this time but I like these ones better than the last ones, I already bought the last ones. These are the earrings that I got last time, which I love, and then these like ear climbers, I think they're called, are also from Rocksbox. So I bought those 2 last time, I bought these the first time, but I wanted to get 3 of like the same type of thing so I could compare them and buy my favorite one versus getting Huggies this time, Huggies next time, Huggies the next time. But I'm ordering Rocksbox with the intention of buying things versus just like renting them, kind of. Okay, so this one, oh, these are cute. These are Sophia Harper. I never heard of Sophia Harper. That's who makes these ones. I've been loving all of their stuff. Okay, so I got these little, like, I don't know if this is focused, star Huggies. Ooh, these little opal Huggies. And these are, so these ones are cut from Dusk, and these ones are Rudiment, and these have 3. So I have a single, double, and a triple. So I got, like, they're all the same style. I'm going to compare them, try them on for you guys, and tell you guys what I think. But you don't have to do it like that. You could literally put whatever you want into your cart. Okay, so I honestly think that I want the Huggies for a second piercing. I really like those. Love them. Okay, so these are my like everyday ones, and then these are the first pair. They're Sophia Harper. I really like them actually. They're nice and sparkly. I kind of wish that I had a piercing up here to wear them. I think that would be really cute. These guys are the next ones. They are from Dusk, and they have this little opal like circle diamond little thing at the top, and then they have these 2 little Huggies. I think those are actually really cute too. I did a little bit of a different configuration here. These little Huggy, these are not Huggies, these little ear climbers are what I got on my last set, and then these ones, the Huggy part was too big to be in this hole here, so I put them here. These ones I don't love as much. I just think they're a little too big for what I'm going for. I want to just like super small dainty earrings or huggies. But so that's why I got all three, so I could compare them, because if I had just gotten these, I wouldn't have anything to compare it to. Okay, and then these are from my last set as well that I bought. I just wanted to show you guys how cute their jewelry is. This is my style. You may have totally different style than me, but I thought these would be so cute with like jeans and like for a night out to be a little fancier, whereas everything else is kind of for my everyday looks. I think that these guys are the winners. I don't know, I really like them. Remember, you can rent these, so I'm just doing this because I want to get as many boxes this month as I can to try the most amount of jewelry I can, and I don't know, I just think that's kind of fun. Also, if you only wanted to do 1 month or only 3-month subscription and try as much as you could in those 3 months, then this is kind of the way you would do it. What you can do too is like keep them for a week and see which ones you like and which ones you wear the most. But I tried on all three and I decided I'm gonna keep the dusks. And you don't have to put them back in here, I just like to keep things nice. And then you put it back in your bag. You put that aside. And then your other two, you put back in their shipping little things. I think if you lost this, it would be fine too, or if you like kept the bags, and as long as the earrings are going back, or as long as the jewelry is going back, whatever you're returning. So if you are keeping all three, then I don't think that you have to send the box back. I'm not really sure, I've never kept all three, but for the purpose of this, I'm gonna assume that you're not. So you keep your 1 or your 2, whatever, or if you wanted to return all three, you can totally do that too. You put everything in there, you close it back up, so then you're putting it back how you got it. You're putting it in your envelope, and then you're peeling off this sticker, and you're good to go. You have your shipping label that came with it, and you're putting that right over the label that came, and then you just drop this in the mail, and it goes back, and then it starts all over again. And it's crazy how fast it works. Like if I drop this in the mail today, I'll have like an email from them tomorrow saying that they got my set. As soon as they get your set, they start styling a new set for you, and I can approve it tomorrow night and then get my next one. Today's Saturday, I could probably get my next one on Monday or Tuesday. So overall, I honestly really love this company. I am so usually not into subscription companies, but I think it's great because you can use your monthly payment towards your purchase, and they have so many cute products. Honestly, I've looked for months, if not years, for staple earrings and just staple jewelry in general, and I like finally found 3 earrings. Also the hoops that I got, I looked everywhere. I really wanted like a circle with the like hoop. I really wanted like the little loop that came down so that the circles were this way instead of like that way, if that makes sense. Could not find them anywhere and was able to find them on Rocksbox. They have thousands and thousands of selections for you guys to pick from, and I just like that you are not locked into keeping, it's not just like 1 box per month. You just have like a lot of control over what you're able to get, and you can keep it for however long you want, you can keep it for however short you want. So overall, I really love the company. I really recommend trying it out. I will leave in the description below a link for you guys so that you guys could get your first month free if you guys do want to try it. So that way, if you guys do order, you can get a free $21 towards whatever you get. And I think that's super fun too. So even if you guys want to give it a month try and see if you guys like anything, I highly recommend. If you guys do, hit that link below. I think that it's a great company and I really love it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing and seeing kind of what Rocksbox is and my thoughts on it, and if I liked it or not. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week. Bye!